Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to recover deleted TikTok messages. If you've accidentally deleted messages on TikTok, you can recover them by downloading your account data. This method allows you to access all your information, including messages, even those that were removed. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your account page. Here, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the main menu. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. This section allows you to manage your account and personal data. Inside the menu, tap on Account. This is where you can control your account information and data settings. Now, tap on Download Your Data. This feature lets you request a copy of your account data, including deleted messages. Then, tap on Request Data to start preparing your data file. TikTok will process your request, which may take some time. Once the data is ready, tap on Download Data. You can now open the file and view your previously deleted messages. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.